You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce those two words that look very similar, that are pronounced differently and have a different meaning. So yes, you want to be able to pronounce them correctly and know what they correspond to. So the top word with only one L is pronounced holy. This is something that is dedicated or consecrated to God, alright? Something that is religious, somewhat sacred, like the Holy Bible. Okay, holy is how it's pronounced. So that's the top one with one L. Bottom one is holly, which is a type of plant. It's a shrub typical of Christmas with red berries. Holly, alright? Two L's is pronounced holly. So, let's go through the two pronunciations again. Anything dedicated to God is holy. One L, top word, holy, versus holly, the shrub, the plant. Holy, top word, holy, holly, holy, holly. Can you hear the difference? Can you pronounce those correctly? Was this any useful? Let me know in the comments down below. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.